Yo, what's up guys? On today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to reduce lag and study in GeForce Now. And this video may be included how to get no delayed. I know you guys have been searching on YouTube how to get no delay and stuttering in GeForce Now Fortnite. But I will be showing you guys simple, easy ways. This won't be a long video. And yeah, let's get right straight to the video. Yo. Don't forget to subscribe. So the first thing you guys want to do is you guys want to press the right side of your mouse, and then you guys want to go to open file location. Then you guys want to open GeForce Now, not GeForce Now, but you guys want to open GeForce Now in Notepad. So guys, you guys can see I already put my thing to true. So you guys want to switch that over. When you first press on it, it's going to say false, but you guys actually don't want that to happen. So you guys want to put the false to true. Then for Vince, it's gonna say false. It's actually going to say true. So, like when you first open, it's gonna say true, but you guys want to put that to false. Then after that, you guys want to put file, save, exit out. Then the another thing you guys want to do, is you guys want to go to your Windows search bar, type in game mode. This actually going to enter, and then after entering game mode, you guys want to put this off to on. And yeah, let's go to the next tip. Hope this tip helped. So another thing you guys want to do is you guys want to go ahead and type graphics settings. Then after putting graphics settings, you actually want to guys browse. So it's gonna actually load up. Then after putting browse, you guys want to go to GeForce Now. I actually downloaded GeForce Now today because it was actually making my computer slow. But you guys go ahead and want to press add. Then after putting add, you guys want to go to options, put a high performance. Then after putting in high performance, you guys want to put adjust the best appearance. Put open. Then you guys want to put adjust for your best performance. Then you guys want to press apply. And then after pressing apply, you guys will press OK. And yeah, hope this tip helped. And let's go to the next tip. So the first thing you guys want to do is you guys want to go to GeForce Now. You guys want to go to settings. Then after going to settings, what you guys want to do is you guys want to go to custom. And you guys want to go to max bitrate. Press custom. Well, if you have low internet or your internet is not really speeding fast, you guys want to put to 10 Mbps or 11 Mbps. And whatever your resolution is and your computer, you guys want to put it to that resolution. So for example, my computer resolution is 1600 x 900. That's my resolution. You guys can put other resolutions. So after that, you guys want to go to direct mouse input. You guys want to put this off to on. Then after that, you guys can go to like Google. You guys can type timer resolution, then download it. So when you download timer resolution, it's actually going to put 0. So if for example, it's actually going to put 0.499. You guys want to put this to 0.500 because it's actually going to reduce lag and reduce delay. So in the next video, I'll be showing you guys how to get 0.500. But yeah, let's hop in the game and see how the game is. So as you guys can see, my GeForce Now is not really that laggy, but this is just a final tip. But if you guys want to do this more, you guys don't have to do this. But there's another tip how to not make your GeForce laggy. So what you want to do is you guys want to go to settings. You guys want to put this to 12080 x 700, 1280 x 720, 69. You guys want to put this full screen. Do not put this to unlimited. Put this to 120 FPS because if you put to unlimited, your GeForce Now may be delay. You guys want to put this to 100% low. You guys want to put on. You guys want to put allow remote to render on. You guys can put this nvidia flexi low latency on boost. Then you guys should get no delay. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know if I should do videos like this. And yeah, hope you guys like this video. And yeah, I'm out. Peace.